In this video, I want to explain the key points about the MegaETH Testnet. What we can do now, what I'm doing at the moment, what to expect in the near future, and the main resource I'm using while participating in MegaETH. Here is the main website. And the first thing we have to do is add the MegaETH Testnet to our wallet and claim Testnet Ethereum using the faucet. Go over here and click Public Faucet. You need to paste your wallet address. I'm using MetaMask. I'll copy my address and paste it right here. Click Get Testnet ETH and you'll receive some Ethereum. Let's also add the Mega chain to MetaMask. Click Switch to Mega, then Approve. Done. MegaETH has been successfully added. Let's open MetaMask. I'm on the MegaETH Testnet, and I have received 0.005 ETH. Now scroll down a little bit. You'll see a full list of applications from the MegaETH ecosystem. You can choose any project you like and do various activities on it. But I recommend focusing on MegaMafia and selecting projects from that list. Let me explain what MegaMafia is. Open the MegaETH Discord. I'll leave a link in the description below. So, MegaMafia refers to the projects that are incubated by MegaETH. Here is another link to this group of projects. Another question you may ask, why do you need MegaMafia? The answer is right here. If you want to get whitelisted for the Fluffle NFT, you can take part in MegaMafia. You'll get a chance to mint 1 ETH NFT and receive MegaETH tokens at TGE. And here is the link to the Fluffle. You can read more about what it is. They say they want real people to be involved in MegaETH. The first set of 5,000 NFTs has already been minted, and the logic behind that mint is explained here. Currently, we can focus on the second set of 5,000 Fluffle NFTs. It will be made available a few months after the first, with the intention of giving a similar opportunity to those continuing to drive impactful social and on-chain interactions for MegaETH. The difference for this installment is that the allocation will be given to the teams that make us what we are, the MegaMafia. Each team will receive a portion of the supply to distribute to their respective community and collectively will make up the majority of the installment 2's supply. A small portion of this installment will be reserved for users through social media analysis. So we have just read the explanation. In short, we need to participate in MegaMafia projects. If a MegaMafia project decides you are a good candidate for the Fluffle NFT, it will add you to the whitelist, allowing you to mint that NFT for 1 ETH. Besides that, a small portion of whitelist spots will be given to users who actively promote MegaETH on social networks. You can check if you are whitelisted by clicking on this button. Then click Enter the rabbit hole. I live outside the US. And as you can see, I am not whitelisted. So that's basically my goal, to get my place on the whitelist. By the way, once you receive this soulbound NFT, you'll get access to your profile. You'll be able to collect more badges and do much more exciting activities with your Fluffle. For now, you can open that link, I'll leave it in the description. Connect your wallet and social accounts, and check if you already have any badges. Let's return to Discord. Let's imagine you have selected a project from MegaMafia. What should you do? Explore the projects you like, join their communities, get involved, contribute meaningfully, be impactful. If writing threads is what you're good at, write quality threads, make art, be helpful, etc. Before doing any activities on MegaETH, open the wallet registration channel. Type register and paste your address. Then click enter. I have already done this, but you need to do it too. You'll see a message. Address registered successfully. By the way, take a look at this important note. General testnet usage is not incentivized. Please don't waste your time with multiple accounts. They clearly say that the MegaETH Testnet is not incentivized. I personally like this project and its idea, and I want to get a soulbound Fluffle NFT to be eligible for tokens at TG in the future. But there is no official information that just participating in the testnet will guarantee profit through a MegaETH airdrop. So make your own decision. Okay, let's say I decided to participate in the GT project from MegaMafia. You can start with this tutorial. Here you'll find instructions for what to do in each project. You can also open the Fluffle Tools website and find guides there as well. Let's open GT. If you want to do the basic activities on GT, first connect your wallet. Connect. Confirm. Now the wallet is connected. By the way, let's join the GT Discord right away. You'll find all the links in the description of this video. Pass the verification. Be active there, help other users if your goal is to get a whitelist spot. I'll also post content about GT in the community content channel, hoping to get the circuit creative role. Let's return to GT. First, we need to create a token. Click Takeoff, enter your token's name, upload an image, add a ticker, write a description, and then click Launch. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Asset launched successfully. Next, you need to complete a swap. I'm gonna swap ETH. The amount is 0.001. You can enter any amount you want, depending on how much a testnet Ethereum you have. To trust, click Swap, confirm the transaction. Then open the Earn page. This is where you'll see a list of available pools. Let's find the KP token. I'm looking for this one because it's mentioned in the guide on Fluffle Tools, which I showed you earlier. The trading pair KP-ETH is here. Click on it. You need to buy some KP first. I'm gonna buy it with 0.001 ETH. Click Buy. Confirm the transaction. Swap successful. Now go back to the pools page. Click Deposit. Now it's time to add liquidity to this pool. Again, enter any amount you want, then click Deposit. Confirm in MetaMask. Confirm again. We have just added liquidity to the KP-ETH pool. That's all for now. The main takeaway is that it's not enough to just do these things and wait for a good MegaETH airdrop. It's about real usage and real work. As always, you can follow me on Telegram or Twitter, where I post updates on what I'm doing on MegaETH. If you want to check your progress, open LayerHub. Select MegaETH from the menu and click Check MegaETH Wallet. Enter your wallet and click Search. you'll see your detailed on-chain statistics. Here is my position among all participants. My wallet is in the top 7.40%. I've made 66 transactions, interacted with 64 contracts, and created 3 contracts. Here is my wallet balance. And you can also see the number of my active days, weeks, and months. It's a useful tool to understand your status on the MegaETH blockchain and how active you are compared to other participants. Your main task is to decide if this is interesting for you and if you are ready to commit to building on MegaETH. Do you want to get a whitelist and buy the soulbound NFT? Or do you just want to make a few transactions? If you are a content creator, don't forget to share links to your posts in the MegaETH Discord and the Discord of the MegaMafia project you chose to work on. Anyway, good luck with this. Ask your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.